A grand old day here at the homestead. Um, so I have a trade I'm trying to get off here. I'm going to open up another round of a strangle on DPZ. They're not giving me my fill. I'm negotiating against myself here. Let's try it. I'm going to drop it down. Let's just see what the stock is doing. Let's hide this. All right, so we're holding our own here. All right, we're coming back a little bit. So let's wow, they really just dropped it. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna go for it. I'm getting what I want in the ballpark anyway. Let's see what happens. Got it. Boom. Okay, so we just sold to open one contract of the same strike that's already in the Slack forum. Let's bring it up. I'll post it in a moment. It's the 505 calls and the 450 strike puts expiring this Friday. There's a huge of implied volatility in there. Very, very expensive. These are the strikes. This is just a new trade, a lower price. I got paid, obviously. So we got that trade off at 1050 per contract. 1050 per contract. So that's another 1050 we're bringing in. Ideally, it's not closed yet, obviously, on the trade. So that's that. Let's bring up comments. All right, so we got Franklin. Franklin, you just heard about the additional trade on. I got your message yesterday that you missed it. I just opened up more on DPZ. Yeah, it's hump day, brother. Yeah. Can you please take a look at ARB, HUT, and BBIG? Let me go to here first. Okay. The bids are fluctuating around like around a nickel now. So wherever it is right now, throw it in the nickel above. You may get hit on it. Hut 8 Mining. Never heard of this. Look at you. Love it. Love it. Looking good. Outside reversal bar. Gotta love those. Hut Mining. Daily chart bullish. What are we doing weekly? Bullish. Flirting with a breakout. You get a close above 1130. I'd add more to your current position. Right now, if you want to scratch the itch, open it. I'd be fine with that as well. BBIG. I need coffee here, folks. Bear with me. Vinco Ventures. Hell of a week. It got extended. It came back. You waited. Things got real fast. Now you're taking advantage of it. Daily chart. Good stuff. All right. So this is one of those, RB, where, it could go skyrocketing straight up. You got the volatility there, right? Probably a lot of shorts in this, getting squeezed. I don't think you're going to get a retest back all the way down there. But let's set up a next best case scenario right at around $6 per share to 550 around there. So if you get a pullback to that mark, you were looking for an entry point on a pullback, I'd use that as a springboard to either add or to open a position. Otherwise, it looks as though we're probably going up higher here. You got a little bit of resistance here at $7 a share. As you can see, we got stopped there a little bit today. We're still at the highs of the day. Looks good. I wouldn't get involved here. I'd wait for the pullback to around $6. A little bit higher, a little bit lower, no big deal. in that neighborhood. Just a little bit of the froth come off. Good looking chart. It's probably going up a lot higher. You got it, RB. All right, who else do we have? Gay, BB, Blackberry. Woo! Look at Blackberry. It's to the point where I look at the RSI and the Stokes. I don't even see price. It's like, okay, I like it. I don't like it. It looks good. It's breaking out. Let's go to a higher level view first. I haven't looked at BlackBerry in quite some time. Good premiums on the options. Great monthly setup. It's pulled back nice. Wow, pulled all the way back down to 10. Look at that. Daily chart. Oh, weekly chart. Weekly chart. You know what I like about this one here, Gay, is I'm not sure if the premium story has changed here. If you're getting nice premiums here, if I weren't long and I wanted to get long, yet I wanted to generate a little bit of cash flow, buy here, sell 10 strike or 1050, depending upon the thickness of those options as a covered call into tomorrow. I just went into my uh hold on, my option chain here. All right. So if you wanted to get paid around 14 cents a contract going out to tomorrow, why not? You know, you're still going to catch a little bit to the upside. You wanted to go further out. I'm just talking about that as a trade. Obviously, you get to run the risk of having them taken away from you, but nice little trade. We're at 980. Do they have 950s here? You could sell if you wanted to generate a little bit of cash flow, try to get a fill back down at 950 per contract or per share. Sell the put contracts 8 cents per contract, generate a little bit of cash flow is your worst case scenario. If they're put to you, well, they're put to you at a discount from where they're trading right now. So just a thought, but I think it's looking good. Otherwise, I wouldn't say to get involved with it at all. Daily chart, RSI hooking up, Stokes hooking up. Nice little pop higher here. It's healing. It's healing. It's getting better. Okay. Let's I hope that helped, Gay. Let's take a look. All right, DPZ's coming back here a little bit. Good. If there's only one thing I was worried about with this trade was a downside move. You're welcome, Gay. Anytime, pal. All right, so we're looking good here. I feel comfortable. Nugget, monster day. I'm actually worried about, I can't believe I'm saying this. The 150, excuse me, the 5150 strike calls are under threat right now. I may have to manage this position. It's no big deal. But it just goes, it speaks volumes. I mean, that was a 95% probability of profit when I opened it. Now we're looking at 37, a little bit, 36% probability of profit. I'm dealing with a lot of shares here. So that's a lot of shares. So I'm hoping for a pullback here on Nugget. If you can believe that I'm saying that, yes, I'm actually saying that. Let's circle through positions. I had to reboot, so I lost all my symbols. 5 minutes to close. Good day on OPTT. ETRN, good day. GDXJ, good day. These are going higher. These are going higher. SILJ, very strong. AGQ, very strong. Coinbase, looking to get back into. Okay. I'm also looking at as an extreme overbought trade, Tata Motors. I think this has got another leg up here. RSI is at around 85, around there on a daily time frame. So I may get short of this in the coming days. Maybe I'll sell some covered calls into Friday, deep out of the money, but then look to short going into next week. All right, let's go to the indexes. So I think what happened here today, folks, and I'll repeat this tonight on Market Wrap. Yeah, VIX is really coming in. Russell's probably moving up now. Yep, it is. God damn it. All right, so this is one that's haunting me. I don't think this is going to work out well. Where are yields going? Well, jury's out. If yields start moving up higher, you may see the small caps rally and the tech stocks dive. If rallies continue, if yields continue to pull back, you'll see tech stocks rally, maybe a pause yet again on the Russell, but they don't want to break. They're very stubborn. So jury's out. VIX coming in here into the close. Let's bring up the NASDAQ. NASDAQ up over a half percentage point, outperforming the small caps. Bitcoin, that was moving up higher. Wow, really moving up higher now. About a minute and a half to close. Dollar, weak. This may be the death knell for the dollar. Finally, the street woke up today. They finally woke up. Finally, they said, sell the dollar, buy gold. We've been saying that for freaking years now. Finally, they woke up. Home heating oil, distillates moving up higher. NASDAQ still looking good. Let's check in with NUGT. I'm really hoping for a pullback here on NUGT. I don't want to have to manage the trade. That 5150 strike covered call position, meaning roll out of it. All right, it's holding firm, but this firmness is just marking a probable continuation breakout. So we're probably going to see another up move tomorrow on NUGT. We're going to. I'll go over all of those tonight, RB. Yeah, it's a sloppy mess out there. The Russell closing strong here. All right, folks. I'll catch you on Market Wrap, and I'll see you there. Be well.